Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must begin by selecting the camera you want to lock. Do that now in the outliner or viewport so you operate on the correct object. Next, open the Attribute Editor and inspect Translate, Rotate, and Scale channels. You need to decide which channels to lock and why. Prevent accidental movement while keeping animation editable. Create a parent group for the camera before making changes, because once locked, you may still need to adjust offsets and grouping without breaking keys. Now lock the channels you chose. Right-click each channel in the channel box and choose Lock Selected. This freezes values and prevents accidental edits. Once done, assemble those channels into a channel box set so you can reapply the same lock pattern to other cameras. If you need controlled changes, create a proxy transform or use set-driven key to drive limited adjustments. That way you retain control without exposing raw camera channels. Make sure to save a scene version before major lock changes. Finish by protecting your locked camera in the scene. Place it in a dedicated display layer and set file permissions or naming conventions so others know not to edit it. Create an unlocked duplicate or a backup scene version before finalizing. That gives you a quick fallback. If you find a necessary change is blocked, unlock the channels in the channel box or reparent the camera under a temporary group to adjust offsets. Then reapply locks. This fixes most common access problems without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.